Hey crafters! My name is Saida and welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. Today, we're making the square. We're just going to take this flap and we're going to fold it so that this side aligns with this edge. Like so. And then you're just going to press this down so that we can keep it there. Okay, so when you've made your triangle, you should find that there is a rectangle flap at the bottom, and now we're going to put use to it. Going to take this rectangle and we're going to fold it up over this line here, like that. So we'll fold it up and then have the crease stop where the triangle is flat. And okay, just like that, we have a crease right here. Now we're going to turn the paper over and we're going to just fold along the line that we just made when we were folding it up over the flap. So we're just going to do the same thing in two different directions. Okay, so now that we have that folded, we can either use a pair of scissors or we can rip it along the line. I genuinely like to rip it along the line, so just going to take these two sides and we'll just rip it. And you can ask a parent for help if you need. Here we have the square. Bye!